Welcome. This is Mail Merge for PowerPoint Text and Image for the 2016 and later versions of PowerPoint. My name is Jeffrey Smith. This is the second video tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm showing how to make apparently table data with Mail Merge. This is not a PowerPoint table. It is merely shapes that have been replicated automatically for Mail Merge data. Refresh the Mail Merge data. In this example, I will show how to build something that looks like a table using the Mail Merge software. We'll start by inserting a new slide for this example. Insert a shape. Format the shape. I will use a black outline just to make selection a little bit easier. We'll use black text, Times New Roman font. Copy. Now in this example, we're using this demographic data from a spreadsheet. Now, if you'll notice, these selected cells have label names. Now these names were generated programmatically. Demographics 9, description, demographics and a number, and then a suffix. These names were generated by a VBA macro in my spreadsheet for assigning a group of cells with programmatic names. So the mail merge data can be assigned from field names. So we know the first or the topmost is demographics 8, description. the range 1 mile. The range for 3 miles. Oops. It's the wrong field. What we'll do is we'll go to the shape management and we'll pick a different field. Update. Okay, pick one more. Range 5. Rename the shape according to the field name. And now here's where it gets interesting. We can select all of these shapes for the header and then clone them. I'm going to clone them 14 times. We'll do a separation of 9 pixels. We're going to replicate by rows. And there you have it. Shapes are a little too tall. Now, you can see that the cloning process has also adjusted the shape names automatically, and the description for row 8, 9, demographics range 9. Software has automatically changed the field reference in the newly cloned shape, and it did this by rows. It can also do this by columns if you have numbers in the field names that reference columns. Let's change purple, and the text will be white. Do this for households. Text white, fill purple. And let's remove the borders. And you can tweak this to make it fit your slide. This is essentially how I made this demographic table here. All from this table in the spreadsheet that was saved into a plain text, comma separated values file. You can change the replication count and the pixel spacing between each cloned shape. You can replicate by rows, replicate by columns. And if there is mail merge data tagged with this shape, it will clone the mail merge information and update the field name and any field names in the prefix text or suffix text. For example, in this unit mix, you can see that there are several shapes. These are all created by the clone shapes software. And this is a special case where it's including suffix text is referencing the number of beds in this row of the unit mix. Right here. Okay. And then it also includes a reference to the number of baths for that row. And it has hide empty selected. Now here, you can see this is for row 9, the beds and the baths, hide empty. So when that row of data is empty, as you can see here, the entire shape is hidden from view. Okay. So let's refresh. And so the empty rows are hidden from view. You can see here in the selection pane, all of these shapes have been hidden. If you show them all, there they are. This also works for cloning pictures that have been tagged with mail merge data. I cloned this first picture in 2 more columns, and the field reference was appropriately updated automatically. And then I copied this shape down to here and adjusted it to reference the next picture, and then cloned it and did it again. And then I manually used the alignment feature of PowerPoint to do various things like aligning the middles and lefts and tops and centers and so forth. This has been PowerPoint Mail Merge for Text and Images, PowerPoint 2016, video tutorial number 2. My name is Jeffrey Smith. Thank you for your support.